Hello friends, welcome back to the Soul Tribe, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by and taking this time for yourself. Whether you're completely new to meditation or have been practicing for a while, this quick and easy body scan is great to recenter and bring you back to the present moment. So settle in and get comfortable in a seated position. You can be sat on a chair with your feet on the floor, hands relaxed in your lap or on your knees, or sat on a cushion with your legs crossed. Make sure your back is tall, elongating yourself from the crown of your head down to the base of your spine. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Start by taking the biggest breath you've taken all day, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling with a sigh out of your mouth. Again, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through the mouth. One more long, intentional in-breath through the nose and sighing out through your mouth. Let the focus remain on your breath as you anchor yourself into this moment, becoming aware of your sits bones on the chair or cushion beneath you, grounding you here in the now. Let's start the body scan with the crown of your head, noticing any sensations you may feel in this part of your body, releasing any tension in your neck and face, softening the brow, the cheeks, unclenching your jaw, letting your tongue rest on the roof of your mouth. Move your attention to your shoulders, letting them drop down away from your ears. Notice if they are tense or at ease here. There's no right or wrong answer. The aim is just to feel and note any sensations, softening as we go. Focus on your chest, rising and falling with each breath, expanding and contracting as you nourish yourself with these deep, intentional inhales. Let the scan take you to your back. Is it feeling tense? Is it relaxed? Notice how you're feeling as your spine is elongated. Let your mind drift to your arms. Do they feel heavy? Do they feel light? Focus on your hands as they rest on your knees or in your lap. Are there any tingling sensations? How does it feel sat on your chair or cushion? Your sits bones grounding down as you connect to the seat beneath you. It's supporting you during your practice. Take note of any sensations in your legs. Firstly your thighs and then your knees. How do they feel? Scan down to your calves and your ankles, then lastly your feet. How do they feel connecting to the earth, the part of our body that supports us daily? Take a few moments to return to your breath, acknowledging any thoughts or sensations as they come, letting them pass and always bringing yourself back to your inhales and your exhales. This session comes to an end, begin to bring your attention back to the room. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last long inhale, then exhale and open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to tune in and get acquainted to the sensations in your body during this very moment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. We look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.